Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance service indicator on a 2015 Lexus NX. This could apply to all the Lexus NX models, including the RAV4 that was from the same generation. So when you're on your small little display here and you go and use your steering wheel controls, you can go over to your settings, scroll down, and go to oil maintenance, push the oil maintenance, and if you want to reset it or not. Now my car is only recently serviced, so I've already reset it and I don't want to reset it again. My fault, I'll hold my hands up, that I forgot to make a video on it, so sorry about that. But if you want to reset your oil maintenance, you can go here. If you ever want to just find out how many kilometers or miles you have left until your next service, push your odometer button, which would be on the dashboard below the clocks, behind roughly where your wiper stalk is, and you'll see the bottom here. So it's gone to trip A, trip B, and there you go. So you see the little spanner. I've got 12,859 kilometers left until my next oil change. So we hope you found that video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.